Okay, greetings. In this video, I'd like to show how we're going to use the hypothesis annotation with our e-textbook, which has been being developed at LibreText. Okay, all of your links can come from our home page, and you can go to the syllabus and type in the URLs, which are often long, or you can simply type in my name, Bob Belford, go to Bob Belford's General Chemistry page, and this has links to various projects and classes I'm involved with. And if you click on Gen Chem 1, Chem 1402, this is your class page. Now in this video, I want to discuss LibreText and the hypothesis social annotation. So I'm going to open these up in two different tabs. And LibreText used to be the Chem Wiki, then it was the STEM Wiki. And what it is it's a hyper library of textbook material. And what I've done is I've taken the table of contents of your textbook, which cannot be copyrighted, and mapped material through that. Then I've gone in and revised it, and I've uploaded somewhere around 100 YouTube videos and other things that you can use. So this functions as a dual textbook. You can use either one, or actually any textbook, as long as you've covered the material. Now, if you're in the LibreText, and let's say that I'm on a certain section, and I have a question I would like to ask, okay? You can utilize the hypothesis annotation service, which I've got to show you how to join. But let's say that I'm here and I have a question on viscosity, okay? And I can simply highlight, annotate, and I could put on my, let me just say comment 1. And if I tag this, CHEM 1402C, okay? And I have that spelled wrong. It should be UALR 1402C. And let me do one for chapter 1. If you're on chapter 2, change this to a 2. If you're on chapter 3, change this to a chapter 3. So we're on chapter 1, so I'm going to call this UALR 1402C1. And then I post this tag. Now also, when you post stuff to hypothesis, there are different groups. If you post it to public, anybody in the world can see it. Everybody in our class will have an account on URLR Chem 1402. And this means only members of our class can see it. So you want to make a comment, post it to URLR Chem 1402, and give it a tag. Now if I go and post it, this becomes tagged with that. Also, if you're watching a video, and let's say that I'm watching this video and I'm up to 1 minute and 22 seconds, and I have a question, okay? What you can do is you can highlight the caption below the video, and I'm just going to call this comment 2, and I'm going to add the tag. Now, incidentally, once you've created a tag, if you just type the number of the tag, that tag comes up. So here is UALR 1402C1. Now I see I've got one with a capital U and a capital letters and non-capital. I'm going to go for the non-capital here. And I post this, it automatically finds the tag. So as we go through the semester, every tag is going to be UALR 1402C with a chapter number. And once the tag, you have made your first tag, all you have to do is hit the chapter number, and you don't have to type all that. Okay? Now I've got 2 of these tagged. Now let's look at hypothesis, okay, and how we use this. You need to go to hypothesis, you need to create an account. Then you need to download the Chrome plugin, which I have already downloaded, and I obviously already have an account. Now if I go to my account, okay, I can see tags that I have made, okay? And there probably should be a UALR, right here it is, UALR 1402C1. And if I click here, okay, I made 2 tags, one on compounds, one on physical properties. Oh, excuse me, on 2 pages, I'd done this earlier. And if I go to the physical properties, there are actually 2 annotations made there. And so what this does is you can make these tags, and then I can go and filter through the tags of the group and see what you have been asking questions of, and then hopefully reply to it, okay? So let me go back and show this for a previous class, because obviously we have nothing in this class. But if I go to the Spring 2017 Chem Informatics class, okay? Here's a page that I made 2 tags on, okay? I can now click here, it goes out on the web, finds that page, scrolls down the page to where the tag was, and shows me what the tag was. It also gives me the ability to look through all the different comments and questions and replies when we have a discussion thread that my students in the spring had made on this page. So what this is going to be able to do is give you the ability to go through material on the web, both on the LibreText and any open access site, if you're on a YouTube video, if you find somebody else's web material, and if you make a annotation, post it to the group, UALR Chem 1402, and tag it, UALR C 1402, UALR 1402C, with the chapter number that this is associated with. Okay, and right now we're doing chapter 1, and I will be doing chapter 2, then I will be able to follow what you've been doing. And if you do this 24 hours before class, as you'll see in the handouts, I hopefully will have had time to go through these and use this to help target my lecture and our class discussions based on your experience preparing for class. Thank you.